the total supply of Interlink. You know that in this Interlink, we are going to receive two tokens. All right, yes, we are going to receive what? Two tokens at the end of the day. Okay, so let me show you this one. Okay, this is the figure I've been able to mine. They have not been consistent. Are you getting it? All right, so if you click on this mine ITLG, click on it. Let me show you guys something. Click on it. Okay, all right, it has opened. Over here, look at the no, I didn't get it correct. Look at the base. The base reward is what? Is 20. Are you getting it? Look at the base rate. Okay, the base rate is what? Is 1.0. This is my own. They will have human hash power, HHP. Okay, we have HHP, human hash power. Are you getting it? Okay, then that is 1.5. We have a active HHP. Yes, my own is still 1.5. Okay, then the total reward is what? 30. My own is 30. I seen it. Good. I just mined it few minutes ago. Check it out. So I'll be coming back in the next few minutes to activate the mining again. Are you getting it? All right, so let's proceed to their Twitter handle and see what updates they have in store for us there. All right, let's check out this. It is okay. Over here, try to give them a follow. Just give them a follow. I get it. Let me give them a follow. Let me give them a follow. Good. Now let's look at the information that is here. Let's read from here down. Okay. It's a Interlink dual token. Dual token is the native token for Interlink. Okay. Now, as I said before, we are mining two projects here. We are mining this is the native token ITLG, and this is the one we are mining presently. ITL is the one we are mining, while the ITLG is the native token of Interlink. Interlink is a very big company. Okay, very very super company. You know that that are good in verification of different types. You can remember when we were doing our Pi verification now, they'll even up to now, for those that have not been verified, they'll tell you if you are doing your verification, your video verification, they'll tell you open your mouth, turn to the right, turn to the left, raise your head up, bring it down, smile or laugh, open your mouth, all those things. Okay, that is the work of this Interlink company. Are you getting it? So we are mining two tokens. If you can be able, you can be see if you can be serious. At the end of the day, you can get some dollars. You'll be getting this one, and you'll be getting this one also. So I pray God will help us to be consistent. He said no conversion. Oh, do you hear that? No what? Conversion. In Anokwaya, no conversion here. They hear them? Good. NITL simultaneously just by holding ITLG. Okay, this information has been provided in advance for previous funding round. Now, ITL used by the Interlink Foundation as a strategic reserve. Now, let's look at the total supply of the ITLG. See it here? Okay. Let's look at the total supply of the ITLG. All right. You see, 10 billion. Okay. They say 50% for the ITLG holders, designed to support institutional growth and ecosystem stability. Are you getting it? Now, let's look at the total supply of, look at this one here. This the total supply of this is 100B, 80% for human node miners, 20% for incentives. So this project now, looking at it, is well loaded. They are very, very transparent, and the way I'm seeing it is gonna cook. It's gonna cook, okay? It's gonna cook from my own personal prediction. The way I'm seeing it, it's gonna cook. So if you have not been mining, please take the link on the description. You see the link on the description of this video or on the comment section, okay? And start mining. Are you getting it? He said, why this model? In the crypto space, one token act as security good, supporting investment, while compiling with SEC regulations. The second token powers the network's activities, creating a, you may not understand if you're a newbie, you may not understand all this English. Now, dual token economy, as I said before, dual token economy, dual token economy, okay? I said that this is the native token of what? Interlink. Now, looking at it here, it said no conversion, okay? No conversion. So we'll be getting ITL and ITLG, both the native token and the one we are presently mining now. See them here. Okay, see them here. Okay. See it here. ITL has a total supply of 10 billion, while ITLG has a total supply of 100 billion. And this ITL, okay, this ITL, they say 50% for the ITLG holders. Then coming to ITLG, they say 80%, of this ITLG for human node miners, 20% for incentive. Do you see that? All right, this is the Twitter handle. You can go over here and read to yourself, okay? Or read for yourself and see this information I'm reading out here. So I'm not just quoting it. It's what they are promising us, is what they are telling us, okay? So that is it. I don't want this video to be long. Are you getting? Let's prepare for the listing of it. I don't know when it's gonna be, but have it in mind that even if you can be able to get up to, like, let me say 5,000 pieces, up to 10,000 pieces, understand, before the listing, by the grace of God, might be able to get some small dollars at the end of the. But if you have been able to accumulate up to 50,000, 70,000 of this is Interlink, well, congratulations, because you're gonna eat good. You're gonna eat good. Yes, you're gonna eat good. So I don't want this video to be long. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. I love you guys.